Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th and 9th. I hope you all will be fine and gathering the blessings of Allah in the holy month of Ramadan. Well, I pray may Allah keep you all safe from all evils. Dear ones, you must keep me remembered in your prayers as well. And also pray about the corona pandemic which has taken millions of lives. May Allah keep us safe and take us out from the present scenario of tension. Ameen. Dear students, now today is the turn of lecture number 9 of unit number 2. As you know, we are doing exercises of unit number 2. And in my last lesson, if you remember, I taught you to page number 17. Now here is the turn of page number 18. So open your books on page number 18 and see the topic. And the topic is vocabulary. And then there are two words you can see after. Under vocabulary, there is written prefix and suffix. This is a new topic and this is all about on this page, prefix and suffix. Then on page number 19, you can see two exercises, exercise A and exercise B. These are related to suffixes and prefixes. Well, dear students, before doing these exercises, let me tell you what is suffix and what is prefix. Dear students, actually suffix and prefix, this is the process of making new words. It's a process of making new words, prefix and suffix. Now let me tell you what is this process in detail. Just let me give you a brief detail of word formation, that how new words are made. There are different methods and prefix and suffix is one of them. See, words formation. Words formation. It is a method by which new words are formed. Words formation, it is a method by which new words are formed. Now, how many ways are there? There are 3 ways. There are 3 ways to make new words. There are 3 ways to form new words. Number 1, by using or adding affixes. When we add affixes, affixes means suffix and prefix. When we combine together, when we combine them together, we say affixes. One word is prefix, second word is suffix. When we combine and when we talk combiningly, we say affixes. Okay, by using or adding affixes, we make new words. For example, by using or adding affixes to a word, for example, happy. You can see happy word in the center and then highlighted group of letter is there and highlighted group of letter is there. Happy is one word. When you put these 2 letters before this word, unhappy becomes another word. Similarly, if you put happy and then after the word you put a group of letter NESS, ness. By replacing Y with I, it becomes happiness. So happy is one word, unhappy is second word, and happiness is third word. When you put un with happy, it becomes unhappy, and we say we have added prefix with happy. Un is prefix because it is coming before a word. And the word which the letters, a group of letter which comes at the end of any word, it is called suffix. Ness is suffix. When you put happy, you write happy word and then you put ness with that, it becomes happiness. Unhappy and happiness. Un is prefix and ness is suffix. And these two combiningly they are called affixes. Okay. Now there is another way of words formation, making new words. That is by using existing words to form a new word. Like you are having 2 words already, and when you take some part of first word and some part of second word and then you form a new word, this is another way of making words or building words or words formation. For example is breakfast and lunch. Breakfast and lunch, they are 2 words, and you are here looking at third word, that is brunch. Breakfast is one word. You take some part of this word, first part, and lunch is second word. You are taking half part, last part of this word. Breakfast, and you are making a new word, that is brunch. Similarly, one more example, smoke. SMOKE, smoke, it's one word. FOG, fog, it is another word. And the third word which you are getting by combining them, this is smoke. This method is of words making, and the words which you have got, brunch and smoke, they are called blend words. They are called blend words. Like taking some part from this word, taking some part from this word, and making a new word, brunch. And similarly, smoke and fog, smoke. These two words are called blend words. Okay, dear students, after this there is third method. Third method is by combining two nouns or verb noun or adjective or noun or verb or adverb. Means when you combine different parts of speech, you get a compound noun. You get third word, a new word. This is third way of words formation. For example, note, it's one word. Book, it is another word. And when you combine the complete spellings of first and second word, you take another word, that is notebook. Similarly, black, bird, and blackbird. Black is noun, bird is noun, and this is compound noun, blackbird. Similarly, police, it's a noun, man is a noun. When you combine them, you get compound noun, that is policeman. Third example, milk, it's a noun, man, it's a noun. When you combine them, it becomes compound noun, that is milkman. Rain, it's noun, fall separately, it is verb, and when you combine them, it becomes compound noun, that is rainfall. Similarly, driving, it's verb, license, it's noun, driving license, it's compound noun. Then green, it is adjective, house, it is noun, and combiningly it becomes greenhouse. Then look, one word, out. Look is verb, out is adverb. When you combine them, it becomes lookout. Then dry, adjective, cleaning, verb. If you see cleaning separately, it's verb, but combining them, you get a new word, that is dry cleaning. It's compound noun. So dear students, there are three methods of making new words. Number one, adding affixes. Number two, let me tell you once again. Number one method is by adding affixes. Number two method is by using existing words to form a new word. And number three method is by combining different parts of speech to get new words, compound words. Like this is the process of making new words. Now, we are concerned here with the first method, which is in your book. By using or adding affixes, we have to learn about affixes. Affixes is the combination, or it is the combined word for prefix and suffix. Okay, dear students, inshallah, in my next lecture, I'm going to give you detail of suffixes and affixes, how they are made and how they are used in the sentences. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.